So I hope all of you guys are along with your laptops for today's session. So let's get into the practical session. So from today, we are going to have a detailed practical session. So it won't be theory. Yesterday, we have spent closely around 50-55 minutes on our theory sessions, like what exactly the HubSpot. Okay, so of course, overview, how the HubSpot has came into the market and how they have become the leading SaaS-based company and how they have grown super speed like in the span of like just to 4 to 7 years. So how they become the number one service providers in the market. So we had a discussion on all this stuff, and today, so we are going to start basically with an HubSpot account creation. So we are going to do like first step will be an account creation. So what I'll do, so kindly concentrate on 10 to 15 minutes. So I'm going to create an account and I'll show you guys. Okay, understand the things first, how to create an HubSpot account. Okay, so once you understand the how to create an upfront account, so then I will give you like 5 to 10 minutes so where you guys can create your own account. Okay, so if you guys face any issues over there, feel free to raise the concern so that I am there to address. Okay, so let's jump into the screen sharing session and let's begin with to create an account. Okay. So again, I'm like stressing here, guys. I don't want one-way communication, please. Okay. So open your browser, search for HubSpot. Okay. Search for HubSpot. So once you search for HubSpot, it should be, it's not Hub, it's HUB Hub, HUB Hub, SPOT Spot, HubSpot. So then you go to HubSpot. Okay. So here you're going to enter. Okay. So once you done with it, so don't go ahead here because it is going to take to only product that is into CRM. So what you need to do, just click here on HubSpot. Or one more thing, what you can do, you can go here, search for www.hubspot.com. So you can search in this way and you can go to their home page. So once you go to home page, so you can able to see there is an option called get a demo, get start free. Okay, so on here also you'll see an option, same option, get a demo, get start free. So you can click either here, get start free or get start free. So anyway, so click here. Okay, so once you click on get start, so then this kind of screen will come. So where you can auto log in with your email ID. That means the browser that you have logged in here on your Chrome browser, or it may be Explorer, whatever it may be. So you can log in through this. So, but to understand, since we are doing it for the first time, so let's understand the procedure first. Okay, so that's what I will do. I'm going to create an account manually. Okay, so first what I'll do, I'll take my email ID. Okay, I'll copy my email ID. Okay, I'll paste my email ID here. Shit, sorry. I'll copy my email ID. I'll paste it here. Okay, so once it is done, then you click on verify an email. As soon as you click on verify email and verification code sent to the email ID that you have mentioned. Okay, so then go to your inbox. Okay, the email ID which you have entered over there. Then it is going to give an OTP or like verification code. So you copy or you can enter manually also. So once you have entered here, then the next button will enable. Click on next. So then what it will do, it will ask you to create a password. So basically next time when we are accessing the HubSpot account, so you need to enter your email ID and you need to enter your password. So for that, so we need to set up an password to it. So what you can do, you can set up the password, but make sure you need to follow these rules while setting the password. So you need to have minimum 12 characters. Okay, in this 12 characters, you need to have one lower character, one upper character, one number, and one okay symbol or a white space. So it should be a combination of all this, but you need to have 12 characters. So better you should use one special characters, one numerical number. Okay, so and then one email, like one capital letter. So it should have all this stuff. So what you can do, you can go ahead and enter, okay, password. So but make sure you're going to check all this thing, all full. Okay, so once you are set up with this, then click on next. Okay, so once you click on next, it asks you to enter what is your name. So says welcome and enter what is your name. So what you say, I'll say my name now. Okay, so it will ask for first name and last name. Enter your first name and last name, then click on next. So once we go to next step, so what after entering name, okay, so then it will ask for which is the best. Okay, so display your role. Basically, it will ask what exactly your role in your company. So are you the owner? Are you an executive? Are you the manager? Are you an employee, student, intern? What exactly you are? So you can select whatever it may be. So if you are an owner, you can select owner. Okay. So the one more thing. So it is mandatory. There is no option for here to skip. So it will ask you for your company website. So you can enter any website. So you can enter your college, like if you have a college website, you can copy college website URL and you can paste it. Or if you have own website, you can copy and paste the URL. Okay. So for now, what I'll do, we have a customer. Okay. So what I'll do, I'll copy the my website. Okay, link and I'll paste it here. So once we copy and paste the website link, then this next button will enable. Click on next. Okay, so once we click on next, wait for 2 to 3, like at least like wait for 2 to 3 seconds. Then it automatically picks. So which industry you are into. Basically, what it will do is so in the previous step. So as soon as we enter here, okay. So this they HubSpot itself. They have an chat bot. I mean AI bot. So it automatically look into our website and it will okay consider what exactly we are. So you see here, basically, which I have entered, these guys are into manufacturing. So majorly into mechanical or industrial engineering. So it auto picks the industry. So in case if it is wrong, even you can click here. Let's say if you guys are into IT industry. Okay. So IT. Okay. So you select the industry type. So which industry you are. Let's say, for example, I'm into food and beverage. Okay. So you select food and beverage. Okay, so no, I'm into a manufacturing industry. So look for manufacturer. So it auto selects. Okay, if you are already have a like content everything on your website, so it auto select. If not, you can select. So which industry you are into, and based on your company right now. So the company name is NS Group. So it is it auto picking the name. So it is not group. It is NS Groups. Okay, so then what I'll do, I click on next. So once you click on next, so how big your company is? Basically, it collects the basic information like our website email, like our website link. Okay, so how big your website and which industry of all this stuff. Basically, how big your company, how many members are working. So you can select how many members are working. Let's say if you guys are working like 15 to like 11 to 25, you can select 11 to 25 or whatever. If you are alone, you can select just me. So like this, you can select. So whatever the number you have in your mind. So it is not like you need to select this. So you can select the number as per your requirement. Then you click on create account, and this will be a final step where we are going to give information related to our company and our personal information. Okay. Then you click on create account. So once we click on create account, again it will take some 5 to 10 seconds. Okay, so it auto pulls okay everything. Then it will start asking okay so about why you are going to create and why you guys are creating an HubSpot account. Okay, so basically again this will be a 2 3 steps will be there. So you can answer the this question and remaining questions. If you don't want, you can skip it also. So but it is mandatory to answer one question in the starting. So it will ask you what would you like to focus on the first. Basically what you with the HubSpot, what we are going to focusing. So if you are going to focusing on generating the leads, or if you're focusing on automating the marketing stuff, okay, what exactly? So you want to grow and manage your pipeline means. So if you want to grow your business, okay, so by properly setting up your sales channel, so you can go for it. Okay, customer support you can go. So if you want to build a website, simple website with the HubSpot, or if you want to build a landing page for the lead generation, you can go for it. Okay, so if you want to raise the bill, I mean, you can raise the invoice and collect the payments through HubSpot, you can. So as of now, you can choose anything, but I will go ahead and suggest you for now, you can select automate marketing. So we'll learn about marketing more in these sessions. So what tools do you use? Basically, so if you want, you can answer for it. So if not, you can skip. Here, you can choose multiple. Okay. Let's say if you are using Gmail, if you are using Zoom, if you are using Meta, if you are using Google. So if you're using Google, like calendar, you can choose. If you're using Slack, email, like Active Campaigns or any other MailChimp campaigns or others, you can still do it. If you want, you can like answer this question. Otherwise, you can skip also. So I'll say next right now since I have answered. So I said next. So then it will ask you, what it will ask you is connect your email. Okay, so we'll enrich your contacts for the complete customer overview. So basically what does it mean is, okay, so it is going to ask, so since we have created an email ID in the name of nsgroups@gmail.com, so what these guys are asking is you connect your Gmail ID with HubSpot. Okay, so that we can automate everything going forward. If you spend I mean, if you're going to send any email, okay, so you guys can send out email through this particular email. For now, since we are understanding the creation of account, for now I'll ask you guys just click on manually created my contacts everything. So if you could do it here, in case if you have any contacts or everything, so it is going to auto pull so through this like steps. So right now we are not going to pull up, since if you are using this email ID as if you're using, since let's say if this is your personal email ID, so if your contacts from your phone, it is auto synced, okay, with the Gmail. So what it will do, it will automatically pull out the data. So that's why, so you can just click on I'll manually create my contact. Okay, so just click on it. So here it will ask you to create the contact everything. So for now, so we will understand the tool first. So we will do all these activities going further. For now, you just click on skip for now. And here also, if you want any of your friends or any of your family members want to invite, okay, you can invite by marking them. If you want to give them as a super admin access to your account, you can like enter their email ID and do it. For now, we don't want all these steps. Just keep it. We will look into it further. Okay. So once we pass all this information, again, it takes 10 to 15 seconds. Then it will take you to the HubSpot dashboard. Okay. So here it says, and dialog box stating that Upendra, welcome. So let's launch your first campaign. Okay. So then after that, just click on get started. Okay. So then it will take you like where exactly the steps are, all the steps. So just you click and say, for now you can leave it. Okay. So once you have done it, so right now it automatically take you to the marketing section. Then you click on home. Okay. So you see here, so it will come today, since it is on Wednesday, December 3rd. Okay, so the year. So if it is good morning, it comes here, good morning, Upendra. Since I have created my name, okay, I had given my name as my file, like while creating the account, I had given my name. So that it is auto picking my name here. So it will shows it will be a two options here. So it shows today and this week. Okay, so we'll talk all this stuff further. So let's do one thing right now. So it's your turn, guys. So you can go ahead and create an account in the HubSpot. Okay.